Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online fast and easy by clicking. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. So let's get this video started. Okay, gentlemen, I'm going to show you one of 3 ways to make $11 or more every day by simply clicking your mouse. This is a simple task that everyone can complete. It's a breeze. There is no requirement for prior experience. A long list isn't necessary. No prior expertise with affiliate marketing or marketing in general is required. This is the simplest way to make money in this situation. Now, I understand that this isn't a lot of money, but it's a great way to get started earning money online so you can grow your business. So, a PayPal account is the first website you'll need to visit or the first tool you'll require. A PayPal account is required. So, if you don't have one, go to paypal.com. Sign up for a free account so you can get your money in as soon as possible with no obstacles, and you can start making money and setting up your PayPal account right now. What.uju.com is the first website I'd like to recommend to you. Using these websites is quite straightforward. Now, all you have to do is create a free account. You'll have to click this button again and it'll prompt you to register. You'll enter your information, which will include your email address, name, and address. All of that requires you to sign up, and if you go here, you'll get paid to click advertising, so this is what happened after I did. It'll now redirect me to this website. It's currently in the process of being loaded, so these are the adverts you're currently watching. Take a peek at these current commercials. It tells you how much they pay to see something, like this 30-second ad for intelligent trading CoinGo. It will take 30 seconds to complete. You will be compensated with 5 cents. This procedure can now be repeated on this website. Stay with me because I'm about to tell you something. I'll also show you a bonus and tell you about the next 2 websites that pay even more. I know how to increase or triple your revenue on these websites. So guys, just stick with me. You can't afford to skip any steps. You'll be paid 5 cents for a 30-second advertisement. Take a peek at these 5-second adverts for 5 cents or 1 cent. You'll get a cent for each 5-second commercial. Consider a 5-second commercial. As you can see, there are a lot of pages to look at. Yes, it's not a large sum of money, but it's a basic task that anyone who can use a mouse can complete. It's really extremely easy. Okay, let's go on to the next website, which is starting to get a little more intriguing. It's thrilling since this is the point at which you'll start making even more money. These websites are far better than what.uju.com. This is an excellent place to begin. However, website number 2 is far superior. That's perfectly okay. Let's resume our viewing of this video. The website's address is heedyou.com. This is fascinating because it displays on screen the amount of money you're being paid by the advertising companies who pay the website. They advertise by placing ads on their website, and the website, like he would, divides the ad money with you, the ad viewer. As you can see, you can watch the spin for 5 cents Super Bowl 25 cents if you look here. They're all advertising. These are the sites where you can earn 5-10 cents for every internet video you watch. We've made it! This page contains an introduction to $2.50 and $2.50 in cash bonuses. As you can see, you watch the commercial, stand up and earn a penny, and so on. They even advertise a surf bonus. Consider this. Your 1 cent purchase balance can be multiplied 200 times. They have revealed leap prices worth 30 times 5 cents on your purchase balance, 3,000 times, and so on. ads with a lot of personality. As a result of my research, all of these 3 websites appear to be legitimate. They are profitable. The act of clicking one's mouse is rewarded. They'll be paid into their PayPal account directly. This is PayPal money that you have received for free. And as I have indicated, this is something that everyone can do. So remember to hang in there with me because I'm about to disclose a huge bonus right now. If you click on View Ads, you'll be taken to this page where you can see that HeatU has paid more than $89,294 in fees. You can join since 2012 by clicking here. Okay, and these are the businesses that share ad revenue with the website, which then shares it with you. And it's all pretty straightforward. To be compensated, all you have to do is click your mouse and watch these brief adverts. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. So to join, all you have to do is click the Join Now button, which will bring you to this page. You're going to create your own username. This account is 100% free. By the way, double check your email and create a password. Based on your first and last names, it will ask you a few questions. You're going to agree to the terms of the website. Okay, and then you'll see I'm not a robot and press proceed. And your free HeatU.com account will be created. By clicking on such advertising, you can start earning PayPal money and receiving free PayPal money in your newly created PayPal account. So here is a third and final website I'd like to show you, and it's quite large. After all, it's called Paidverts.com. Gentlemen, keep this in mind. There are 3 different websites on this page. I've never talked about this before on my YouTube channel. This is a brand new feature. You can earn PayPal money by merely clicking your mouse. And this is essentially the same as the last example. By clicking on advertising, you may now start earning money. Take a look at this. Genuine payment proof of people who have gained money by doing exactly what I'm encouraging you to do. Using the same strategy as a Techno Team BD, he was able to earn $11.13 by clicking on several advertisements. This person received $15. This person earned $8 and $4 every dollar, $91.96, $83.95, and $83.95. So if you use this strategy and go to each of these websites separately, you can make money. Begin by clicking on each of the advertisements. You can make it at least $11 per day, which is a fair amount. So if you concentrate on what you're doing, here's an extra bonus. If you go back to the first webpage I gave you, which is Uju, okay, if you scroll down, you'll get a $20 extra if you look at this. So, how are you going to get your bonus of $20? All you have to do is recommend them to others through their referral program, and you'll get paid. Every time your referral clicks, you'll get credit. Consider the following scenario. You're going to send a referral link to someone. You can post this link to a social media, YouTube, or construct a film centered on this single webpage and add it in the description. You can discuss about, hey folks, you want to make some money by clicking on these short video adverts with your mouse on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or wherever you choose. What's more, you'll be surprised to learn that there's a link to it here. As a result, you're essentially profiting off other people's work and effort, which is a tremendous plus. As a result, you're currently earning almost $11 every day. You folks make $30, $40, or even $50 per day. This should go without saying. Visit these 3 websites to learn more about how simple it is to make money online. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.